Okay, we're off to a flying start. We just put the fire out.
A flaming start.
Who knew that that space under the stove is not a storage space? It's not meant for putting like plastic and paper and everything under there. It's for warming. It gets hot. So who knew? I didn't know. And we just put the fire out as everything was burning under there. Krishna. And it was pretty exciting. Actually, it was Krishna. Krishna put the oven fire out. Ananga was so brave. She was Krishna's assistant. She picked the burning plates up and threw them in the sink.
You were going to shoot that into the stove, weren't you?
I would have grabbed my camera, but I was trying to find where the water was to put the darn fire out. So
another good reason to have a hose on the sink.
Yes, I thought that's probably why they have. Come on, give us a selfie, Ananga. Turn this way, smile. There you are. All right, so we've just begun. Who knows where this is going? Krishna. Oh my God. Oh. Dying from the burning plastic fumes here. Oh.
All organic ingredients except for the PVC.
All organic except for all the fumes that landed on it when the fire was here. Oh my God. Oh. Well, what is it? Every endeavor is covered by yeah, that's like fire is covered by smoke. Every endeavor has a flaw to it. What's that first?
I didn't hear that first. Where'd you get that one from?
No, that's from the Gita.
Okay.
I think somewhere. I didn't make that up.
Okay.
Just as fire is covered by smoke. We got plenty of that.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? Oh no, you're getting deeply philosophical.
Yeah, we're just happy. We can't do philosophy right now. We're just happy we didn't burn that.
You got a point there. Hare Krishna.
Like fire is covered. Oh, isn't that the modes of material nature? Just
yeah.
Fire. So, I mean, every endeavor for personal gain.
No, it doesn't say that. Don't add. Don't. No.
So, okay, so
every endeavor is covered. Every endeavor. Wait a minute. No. Now I'll have to go and find it. All right. Okay, I'll find it. Hare Krishna.